Hey beautiful people, it's your girl Lindsey, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to wash your synthetic or crochet hair so you can reuse it, so you can move from this to this. So in the first clip I showed you guys was just some bob spring twist that I did, and I use the same here to achieve these butterfly locks. I'll link it above and in the description box down below so you can achieve these looks as well. So let's get into it. Alright guys, I'm just gonna go for a clean basin and just fill it up with some clean tap water. That's all we're gonna start out with, and let's go. Okay guys, so now I filled up about half or a quarter of my basin with just some regular water. It's not warm or anything, it's just straight water from the tap. I'm just gonna go in with some white vinegar, and then I'm just gonna add just a little bit. Well, my hand kind of heavy still, so just a toopsicle bit more of some white vinegar. Now you can do this with apple cider vinegar, but I don't have any, and you know how we do it over here. So I'm gonna go for the hair, and then we're gonna go ahead and do my bob crochet spring twist tutorial. I will leave the link down below so you can go ahead and check that out if you're interested. You better be. And then I'm just gonna gently place it in the water. Probably should have like separate it better, but lazy, huh? Don't be like me and separate the hair, because I just took them out and I had them lying down, and already you can see that like the water changing color. It's very, not very, it's kind of gross, but I can't believe when I show this from people good internet. So I used, in my bob spring twist, I used about 2 packs. As I said, I'll leave the link in, I'll leave a suggested click link above, and I'll leave it in the description box down below so you can check that out, how I did that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let that sit, and I have one more piece here because your extensions are very dirty, and I had these in for about 3 weeks. One, because I just couldn't bother, and for me it's like the spring twist with passion twist, with most of those type of protective styles, it's like, to me, the longer you leave them in, the better they get, the better they look. So I'm just gonna leave that like that. Alright guys, so I'll let this sit for a couple minutes in the water and vinegar mix. So now I'm just gonna empty it out, and then I'm just gonna wash it just like regular hair using my shampoo and conditioner. So now I'm gonna rinse just some more water. Just rinse a bit and then pour out this water when I'm done rinsing, and then go in with my shampoo. Now I added some clean water. I'm just gonna go in with my Cream of Nature Mango and Shea Butter Ultra Moisturizing Shampoo, because, well, it's the first one I grab, and just put that in the water, and just kind of just do this gently, because I'm really trying to not get the hair to tangle. Oh God, I really should have done this separately first, and just kind of run that through and like massage the hair properly. I think I might add a little bit more, because I can just rub that in the water. I really do like this shampoo. It's a really good budget friendly shampoo. See, this is one string, well, strand of the hair that we have, so it's not matted up together, thank God. And then I'm just gonna massage that in and just kind of pull them apart, because I really don't want this to get knotted. And as I'm massaging, I'm just putting the shampoo through each of them, and just when I'm done, then I'm just gonna rinse and go in with my conditioner. So now that I rinsed out the shampoo, I'm gonna take my Cream of Nature Mango and Shea Butter Ultra Moisture Conditioner and do the same thing. It's almost done, you know. Watch it. and just go in and put that in the water. And then I think when I'm done, when I'm massaging it through the hair, I'm just gonna I'm just gonna let it sit for a couple minutes. So this is on the last lap, but I'm still just gonna massage it in the hair, in the water. And as I said, I'm just gonna let it sit for a couple minutes. You know what? Let me tell you something. I say when I waste nothing over here. Watch it, this almost done. So okay. Yeah, your money's worth. Yeah, there we go. I'll massage, and then I'm just gonna let that sit for maybe like 2 to 5 minutes, and then we're just gonna rinse. Okay guys, so as you saw, I rinsed until the water was clear, and now I'm done. And as you can see, this is the hair. It's going to have like a little bit of frizz, but I mean that's expected just from wear and, you know, just natural stuff, but it's not knotted up or anything. Now if you want to see how I removed my spring twist, you can check out my video. I have a video on that. I'll leave the link in the description box down below, just to, you know, remove them and maintain them and keep them in like this almost natural state that they were. So it makes it good for reuse. So now that they're clean, just pop those apart, but they're not matted. Now that the hair is clean, we're gonna talk about drying. Now I'm gonna go ahead and dry the hair, and I'm going to air dry it. Now I know some people, when they do air dry the hair, they like to rest it on a towel or on an old t-shirt, but let me tell you something. A Jamaica this, and how we air dry, we hang up a line. So I'm going to go outside and hang this hair on the line and leave it to air dry. So this was just a quick little video showing you guys how I clarify and wash my synthetic like crochet hair, braids, conical hair, any type of hair that you're gonna be using for protective style. This is the same method that you can use for any of those types of hairstyles. So it's really good, helps you to save your coins. Remember, so we slay and save, a ball on a budget. So this is just what I do, how I do it. Let me know down in the comments below what else you do, or if you have any tips and tricks up your sleeves for how you wash your hair. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time, stay tuned to see what I do with this hair. I don't know, I'm thinking I'm not gonna tell you yet, but we'll see what I come up with. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to follow me on all socials at __ Lindsey Beth. Till next time, bye guys. All right guys, so this is the hair hanging up outside. I'm going to leave this up for a few hours. It actually shouldn't even take that long, and then we'll get into our next look. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, beautiful people, and this is a look that we use the hair to do: crochet butterfly locks or distress locks or faux locks, whichever one you want to call it. I have the tutorial for this and I have it linked down below in my description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to this family. You understand? Hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications. Hit that bell guys, so you know when I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it so much, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Till next time, bye beauties.